My name's Sam Williams. I'm the ward manager on Bargoed Ward in YYF in Ystrad Fawr. We have stroke rehab patients, care of the elderly patients. So we've had a variety of students from the local college who have been based here for 100 hours.
Part of my placement has been coming to the ward, working as a healthcare support assistant, so assisting the healthcare support workers.
The students do the vital observations for us. They support with personal care, observing the healthcare support workers and the RNs in their day-to-day duties, feeding patients, talking with patients, meeting their relatives, sitting down and just generally having a conversation. A lot of the patients become quite lonely in the single room environment, and the students have been a pleasure to have on the ward.
Being on placement, you get to learn practically, learning through practice, and then you get like a real insight to what goes on in the hospital. In the future, I would like to go in and train to be a mental health nurse. And so far the placement has helped me by giving me an insight into a hospital setting. With
regard to the placements, the students have been a pleasure to have here on the ward. The staff have also been very complimentary to the students. They've enjoyed teaching, showing them their skills, and obviously with mindset that, you know, these are our staff of the future.
I would 100% recommend it to others. You can gain a lot of experience and expand your knowledge by working in practice. One of the best opportunities I could have been given.
Hopefully they will continue, and we can develop and work closely with the college and continue to do so in the future.